and profile dashboard tutorial. In this video I will show how to use Gamecoin and profile dashboard, and I will explain smart contract functions and front-end part. Let's start with the Solidity contract. First we select version of our Solidity language. We choose 0822 for this contract. After this we import needed libraries RC20 and enable from OpenZeppelin. This libraries helps us create our token and manage ownership. Now we create our contract, call it Gamecoin. We make it inherit from RC20 and enable. This means the Gamecoin will have all the functions of RC20 and ownership control. We create a public variable, call it celebrate. Private mapping, call it users to store user information. We define a struct, call it user to store. I stored user information from profile Solidity class, like username, email, and the PO for each user. In this constructor we set the name and symbol for our token and mine some initial supply. Let's talk about the front-end part. We visit simple HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for backend and some logics. Our HTML file contains a registration from and displays user information, and it also includes buttons for different sections. It's in my CSS. It's giving a nice background and font styles, animations, and some keyframes, and better user experience. My JS files connects to the blockchain, registers user, loads Web3. It's MetaMask. It's function for need MetaMask connection. We connect to Web3 using MetaMask. This allows to interact with the blockchain. It loads blockchain data. It loads my user blockchain data, users accounts and the balances. And two details. The register user function JS calls the Solidity function for register a new user like this. It will gives by ID and value to the my registration from Solidity. So that's it. Now you know how to use the Gamecoin profile dashboard and you understand how it works behind the scenes. Let's see my Gamecoin application, how it works. First we need to connect our Envocoin wallet, register user, for example. Create profile creating. MetaMask asks me transaction cost. I will confirm. Creating user. It's pending, in process. It's my user information. It's done. Get user info, get NB balance. My balance now is 0. I will buy, for example, 5 NB coin. Also transaction cost. I will confirm. We wait some 3 or 4 seconds for pending. Get NB balance. Get now done. I wrote 5 NB coin. After that we will sell. Let's some example, for example 3. I will confirm. Now it's pending in process. We see it here. Now it's sent it. Also, we again check our NB balance. It's 2. So transfer NB coins. For example, we choose second account from my MetaMask wallet. For example, amount. For example, I have a 2 NB coin. I will send my all NB coin transfer. It's in process, pending. It speed up, but it will also ask some costs. It's sent already. Now we check our second account. Okay. In reload, it will have a receipt. Student account. Okay, in the end, we will log out. Thank you for watching.